Usually when I'm starting a video, I'm always saying like, oh my god, I'm super excited today. Not today. Today I am scared. And that is because we're going to be trying this. The Ordinary Direct Acids. Just the name alone scares me. AHA, BHA Peeling Solution. This has been so hyped everywhere. That's what we're going to be doing today. For what I've seen online, it looks scary. Just in case you're thinking of buying it, I'm trying it out for you. I have super sensitive skin. That's why I'm so scared. It is a 1 ounce. It retails for $7.20. So it's super affordable. So if this works, I'm going to be really excited. They have so many products and I've never tried it. 10-minute exfoliating facial uses a combined 30% AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, and 2% BHA, beta hydroxy acid, to diminish the look of blemishes. It smooths the look of skin texture for a more radiant look. So good for like fine lines and wrinkles. Have uneven skin tone. This side you can see I have, this is like a cystic acne, is almost dry, but we'll see if this helps like in any way. We'll put the list of the ingredients, very important. Oh my god. Look at that. That looks scary. That it comes like with a dropper. This is a glass bottle. I like that. It doesn't feel like cheap whatsoever. How to use. Apply to clean, dry face. I just came out of the shower. We're squeaky clean. And apply anything. It says leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use ideally in the PM, no more frequently than 2 times per week. You don't want to mess with your face. It's very important that you like follow the instructions because this is your face we're talking about. And it says precautions: do not use on wet skin, do not leave on longer than 10 minutes, and if persistent irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a physician. You will be extremely sensitive to the sun, so wear sunscreen like if you have been using this on your face. Alright, and that's mostly with like all skincares. It's just very important to use sunscreen no matter what. We are going to do a patch test. If I'm honest, I always forget to do a patch test, but this scares me. I'm not kidding. So we'll do a patch test on the hand to see first. I'm going to put like a drop here. Ooh, look at that. Looks like blood. I'm just spreading that. And I'm just gonna wait like a minute or something to see if I feel something. Does it just look scary or is it really scary? I'm not feeling anything right now. It has really good reviews too. You know what's another thing that I want to try from them? I think it's called Buffet. Oh, if you've tried The Ordinary, what's your favorite product? I haven't really looked into the brand like that. I'm really not feeling anything. Some people say that it like stings, that it burns. Doing it now. So I'm just gonna, let me see, I want to take a nice amount. I'm not gonna do it in my forehead because you guys know I just had the brows touched up and I can't have any like skincare there, so we're just gonna do like this area and pray. I don't know how much you're supposed to put. And remember, it says no more than 10 minutes, so. I think I'm going like too close to my eye. I don't know, it doesn't smell strong at all. I don't know what it smells like. I'm smelling something, but. Just going like in circular motions. I get a lot of like whiteheads and blackheads. A lot. My skin gets very clogged. Oh, I'm feeling something now. It's working. So I really thought like it was gonna be stronger. It is like burning a bit, but like tolerable. Also, I would really advise if you're trying this for the first time, they do suggest to do this at night, but also, let's say you're not trying it at night, try maybe to do it in a day where you don't plan to go out, just in case you are like, I don't know, what if it like burns or your face turns like really red. You just don't know how you're gonna react, so I'm just saying. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes. I definitely just feel like a little burning sensation, but nothing like, oh my god, I feel like I have to wash it right now. But I think it's time. Like, it's the first time. I told you I have sensitive skin, so I'm gonna go wash it off and be right back, and we're gonna see how my skin looks. And I keep smelling it more and more, and I don't like the scent. Well, I wouldn't expect to like the scent, but it's not super strong, but you can smell it and it's not cute. That's all. I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed my face and I do feel like it's a little burnt. You might not see it very well on camera, but if I look up close, like, unless it stained my face, but like there's redness here, here, up here. And when I was like scrubbing my face with my towel, it's like bothering me a little. Like, I feel like it's sensitive. I don't know if that's normal, if that's how it's supposed to feel. But yeah, I was just literally cleaning my face and it just feels a bit sensitive. So this is why I'm saying do not try like if you're gonna go out, because my face is red like I was out in the sun. In certain areas you can see more than others. Like in this area here, I really hope it doesn't stay like that, and I hope it's showing up. But it's red like here, like that, and then here. And don't get it in your mouth. It was like nasty. My face feels nice and soft now that it's drying. I really barely want to touch it just because it just feels so sensitive. And definitely see why they would want you to apply SPF. Still feel like the burning sensation, so it's not like, and that's just my opinion how it's working on me. That doesn't mean it's gonna work on you like that. But even like after washing it, I still feel like the burning, like if I still had it on. Definitely have to try it a couple more times, just twice a week, not more than that. Do not exceed 10 minutes because as you can see, you can really get burned, and just follow directions. Leave it, if you really want to try, maybe leave it like for 3 minutes or something like that the first time, and you'll see how it works on you. Definitely do the patch test and increase it little by little, okay? I would like to see like it helps like with my skin texture. I'm like trying to turn in certain ways so you can see the redness. I will be doing an updated video, be an actual review. This is first impressions to see how it really worked. I'm glad I tried this viral skincare product that everybody's talking about. Don't forget, let me know what's your favorite The Ordinary product that you would suggest or that you would want me to try to review for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.